this is Melanie Cashion McCoury, and I work at the North Carolina Cooperative Extension Office, and I do the EFNEP program, the Expanded Food Nutrition Education Program. And this morning, I want to show you how to make a simple snack or an easy breakfast if you're stuck at home during the coronavirus. Now, this is a great one to have the kids help you do. I don't have any small children, or I would show that. But we can still do it together. So the first thing that we're going to do with this breakfast banana split is we're going to take a cup of yogurt. Now, I like the no sugar added, fat-free vanilla yogurt. That's always my favorite brand. So we're going to put yogurt in a bowl. And of course, I'm just using 1 cup of yogurt. It's 6 ounces. But you can use, more or less if you like it. Then I'm going to use a half a cup of granola, any brand that's your favorite. Then of course, since it's a banana split, we got to have a banana. So I'm going to take half of a banana and peel it. And of course, I've already cleaned my surfaces, washed my hands before we started, and that also included washing the banana. So putting my banana in there. Then I like to have lots of fruit in my parfaits, or my banana splits, I guess you'd say. And so I'm going to add some blueberries. Blueberries have a lot of antioxidants in them, and they're really healthy for your body. Then the next thing I want to put is some pineapple tidbits. I like pineapple in my banana split, too. Lots of fruit. That always makes things better. Then, to add a little crunch, even though I've got the granola, I like to add sliced almonds to mine. And of course, on the top, just a little drizzle of honey. And of course, you gotta have a cherry on the top of a banana split. So this is a yummy breakfast or a snack for any time of day. Hope you can try it with your kids and hope you enjoy. Goodbye.